Hello everybody, this is Master Alex, and I haven't posted a video in a while. So I'm doing today on how to fix your iPhone, now, iPhone 5, or if it has it. So let's see if my sound's working right now. Yep, it's working. So I'm going to do something real quick. Make one little thing. Okay. So, now my Vine's not working. Sound turned up all the way. And this is happening with you. Why won't it work? Well, one thing, one step, it's working. You got your iPhone 5, or if it has it. Sorry about the background, it's my baby's bedroom. So what you gotta do is, there should be something right there, right above the volume. Open that, or if you don't have a case, wait till I open mine. Okay. Now there should be like a little switch in there. So you can't see it. No switch it the exact other way. Now that's my screen. Okay? So, we're gonna go try watch the Vine video and see what happens.
You're really cute, I must admit. I need something deeper.
See? One step to make it better. And you guys got it.